Okay, I'm going to talk about questions 15 and 16. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to try to use my laptop. So here's number 15. It says, write an example of a matrix multiplication that is undefined. So you don't have to go too crazy with this. Basically, this just is talking about the dimensions. Okay, like if I had a 2 by 2, okay, there's only a certain like type of matrices that I can multiply this to. Whatever I multiply this to, the rows of this matrix also have to be a 2, right? Because it has to be equal like that. So an example of matrix multiplication that is undefined could be literally anything like a 2 by 2 times a 3 by 2. Okay, that is going to be undefined. Those are not the same, so you can't multiply them. Or you could say a 1 by 4 times a 1 by 4. Okay, they may be the exact same dimensions, but these numbers are not equal. That is also undefined. Okay, anything like that. A 5 by 2 times a 3 by 7. Okay, that is undefined. These numbers have to be the same. So that is number 15. And then let's see if I can get... Okay, number 16. In the expression A times B, if A is a 3 by 5 matrix, then what could be the dimensions of B? Sorry, I read that weird. So A times B, they're telling us the first one is a 3 by 5 matrix. Remember how order matters, okay? So here's A, and then we have to fill in dimensions for B. It says what could be the dimensions of B. So we could kind of make this anything we want, except for this first number. This first number has to be a 5, because remember, order matters, and the columns of the first matrix has to equal the rows of the second matrix. So as long as the dimensions of B have 5 as the rows, you can put literally anything you want here. Like number wise, it doesn't matter. Okay, it could be a 5 by 23, a 5 by 1, anything like that. B could have any dimensions as long as it has 5 rows. So that is number 16.